Good morning, first grade. I hope everyone is having a great day so far. Today is Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. It is the 45th day of school. So I've updated our coins and I was able to trade in 5 pennies for a nickel. And then once I traded in the 5 pennies, I was able to trade 2 of the nickels in for 1 dime. So we would count this as our quarter, which is 25, then 35 and 45. All right, today you have art as your special at 12:15. And before we go through the schedule, if you would like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, that would be great. Got the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay. All right, very good. So coming out first thing this morning will be a math application problem for lesson 37. Then you will also have a Spelling City activity to practice for our spelling test on Thursday, which is tomorrow. You'll notice on Spelling City that there are 2 assignments assigned. You can just choose one of them. So if you like taking the practice spelling test where they give you the words and you just type them as a way to practice, you can do that. Or I've also added an additional game called Splat and Spell. That's just another way of practicing the pattern for this week, the words for this week. So feel free to just choose one of those. You don't have to do both. And you can still take a practice spelling test on regular paper if you would prefer to do that and not use Spelling City at all. So it's up to you, but you'll have the application problem, Spelling City, and then there will be a reading activity coming out this morning as well. There will be a learning video where we'll talk about the author's note at the end of That Book Woman, but then you'll also participate in a virtual Socratic seminar. So if you remember what that is from some of our previous lessons, a Socratic seminar is a discussion that is about, a book or a certain topic where, you as the class are really leading the discussion and, sharing evidence from the text to support your ideas. So remember, as I said, that was like that college word, Socratic seminar, but really it's just like an educational conversation or an educational discussion. We're going to try something different this time with it. You'll watch the learning video. I'll walk you through all the steps of what to do, but we thought this time instead you could answer the Socratic seminar question using Padlet. So if you remember, that was a site we had used earlier in the year where you can type in your response and then the class can see your responses once I've approved it. So just watch the learning video, follow through or follow along with it, and it will explain how to do the Socratic seminar through Padlet. But I look forward to hearing and seeing what you have to say and what you think about Cal and That Book Woman and answering that question. But so those will be the 3 things this morning, and then we'll meet at 10 for word building. If you could bring these letters BEH, NRT, UW, a blank dictation paper. You'll send that after our live class. You'll take a picture and do the high frequency sentences like we normally do on Wednesdays, and then we'll meet again at 1 for math. And if you could just bring your normal math materials so we have them, and send your problem set after our live 1 p.m. class, and that should do it for today. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll be happy to help you. And our riddle for today is, what goes up but never comes down? What goes up but never comes down? See if you can figure that out. And I will see everybody soon. Have a great morning. See you soon.